So Nicolette, can you imagine, this is our 15th episode
Wow.
for the season. So
One whole season na po yan. At let's take a trip down memory lane, Ariel. So ang first episode natin was with Voltaire Zalamea. No? That's our pilot episode featuring
the Mitsubishi
Montero Sport 2020. So I think this is the most viewed episode of Stories on Wheels, no? And
do you know the reason why? Ako, probably have an idea why. He organized like numerous weddings already. Sabihin mo lang ng each couple, parang per family member would watch, di ba? So if it's a multiple of 5, so that's
dahil siya nga si
a lot, di ba?
Voltaire Zalamea.
Diba? Yeah.
That was
Voltaire,
a really fun episode.
your episode is the most viewed episode.
From Kia Pampanga naman yung Grand Carnival.
Yeah, so that's Christny.
Yes,
So Christny.
At ang dami nag-comment doon, Ariel, ng kung ano pa yung mga ibang sasakyan ba ng Kia dahil gusto pa nilang makita kung ano ba yung mga units available pala sa Kia dahil meron pa lang ganito no, napakaganda ng Kia Grand Carnival.
Oh, very, very comfortable ride. I like that one too.
At syempre, yung pinakamaraming naaliw, no? Itong episode ni Islava featuring the Ford Territory.
So, si ano yan, siya yung kumanta ng isang linggong pag-ibig. Tsaka si, ano yung hashtag niya na sumikat siya?
Galgalmeng bagya! At alam mo ba, top performing episode na yan with Ace Nava on all platforms.
Okay, so that means YouTube, sa television, sa Facebook. Okay.
Our interview with Mr. Dennis Huy.
Oh, yes.
That's for the Suzuki all-new Carry utility van.
Oh, that's the turnover of initial 200 units. Tapos nag-additional pa sila ng 200 units for this. So it speaks a lot about not only the brand but for that particular vehicle. Kasi ginagamit nila.
And remember, ang daming nag-inquire after that episode ng mga mag-business din or for other purposes pa itong Suzuki all-new Carry utility.
That's good. That's good. So, I guess tumarget ang mga taga Suzuki Pampanga.
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Baka naman. Thank you, Mr. Dennis Huy.
And our 5th episode was the Journey MPV M60
Changhe.
Yes,
Changhe.
with Mr. Verhel Nino. So, nakilala lalo ang Changhe dito.
Ako naalala ko si Mr. Verhel. Napaka-passionate niya about the brand. No? I mean, naging real ambassador siya ng Changhe.
Tama. Kasi talagang namangha naman talaga siya sa features kasi ng unit.
At ang ginawa niya, nanghingi siya ng mga calling cards dun sa Changhe Auto Pampanga. Tapos, pag may kakilala siya, because, yun nga, tiwalang-tiwala siya sa brand, pinamimigay niya. So, they themselves can inquire, know more about the vehicle.
At syempre naman, Ariel, ito namang pang-anim natin na episode, yung BMW X3, and you were able to talk to Mark Cruz. At trivia lang ha, alam mo ba, sa buong season na to ng Stories on Wheels, 3 engineers ang guests natin.
Oh, yes, I remember. So, isa na dyan
ang mga engineers pala.
Isa na dyan si Engineer Mark Cruz, di ba? Gumawa siya ng poem about himself. At the same time, syempre, may kumanta siya. Di ba? Na Christmas song.
Okay, Ariel, yung pang 7 naman natin na episode was with Miss Evelyn de Guzman, another engineer.
Oh, yeah. The lady engineer.
Yes, featuring Haima V70. At ito yung pinaka-inspiring natin.
Oh, award-winning din yan. Yung award-winning V70, di ba?
So
it's the most inspiring.
Nakaka-inspire na naman talaga si Miss Evelyn. Life story niya.
I was inspired.
The way she does her job, no? Dahil talagang malaking factor sa kanya kapag mga simbahan yung mga ginagawa niya.
I was a about to say that kasi when she accepts project or she considers project, she doesn't only look at the monetary aspect. Sa kanya is more of yung somehow calling na rin na
Parang service to the Lord.
Service to the
para sa
Lord
kanya
na
yun.
parang mapapaganda mo yung bahay ng Panginoon.
At syempre yung 8th episode naman natin, this was the first time na isang motor brand naman ang ating feature. So ang daming nabilib na viewers dito na with Randy Cruz's featuring our BMW R1250 GS.
Yes, and I'm looking forward to the continuation of that episode. Kasama na ako mag-ride, syempre.
Yes, alam ko, medyo nabitin ka sa episode na yun.
Sobrang bitin kasi as you know, gusto ko din talaga mag-ride soon. Pero not now kasi pinag-ahanda.
So, Pampanga Premier BMW Motorrad. Sana nakikinig kayo. Sabi ni Ariel, request daw po niya yan. So, ang 9th episode naman natin, featuring Harley Davidson. So, lahat ng types ng units na nasa Harley Davidson na feature natin dito with astig na Doc na
Doc
si
Noel Laksamana.
So how was the ride doon, Ariel?
It's good. So, pressure is on you, BMW,
You're
because
next.
I was able to ride Harley Davidson.
Ito naman, ang Nissan Clark naman, na-feature sa atin ang 370Z kasama si
Ako si Doggy. What did you like about that episode, Nicolette?
I think everything about that episode was fun and ang dami ko rin natutunan tungkol sa online sports, no? Na tinatawag na online gaming, and also madaming mas nakakilala pa, no? Kay ako si Doggy, no? There's more to his gaming activities.
Yes.
No?
Ako, what I really like about that, kasi na-realize mo ba na he's got almost 6 million subscribers. Napaka-down to earth ng bata.
Yes.
Bata kasi, di hamak na mas matanda ako sa kanya. So, yun, nag-enjoy ako. Tapos yung very passionate siya sa kanyang ginagawa.
So next naman, ang ating 11th episode was with Dr. Anthony Clemente featuring S125 of Vespa, Pampanga. So, ang dami na din natin natutunan dito kay Doc. At dahil nahumaling din yung maraming tao dahil meron na nga palang Vespa sa Pampanga.
Of course, it's an Italian brand. Diba?
Iconic.
Because of Laus group.
Dinala nila dito ang
sa Vespa.
So, ang ating 12th episode, Ariel, featuring Santana unit of Volkswagen. So,
So
with our guest, Mitch Viray, ang ating Kapampangan fashion designer. Daming na starstruck kay Miss Mitch at nagulat din actually, no, when it comes to the unit that we feature. Yung mga viewers, nagulat sila sa price nitong unit for that brand, di ba? So,
Volkswagen. It's a European brand. Tapos ganun yung price niya. And remember ako, naalala ko din talaga yung how Mitch is really happy with the service, the level of service of Volkswagen Pampanga.
Remember, nung pagpasok niya palang doon sa Volkswagen Pampanga showroom, ay hindi daw siya aalis hanggat hindi niya kasama yung unit na gusto niya.
Buti na lang daw ay may dala siyang checkbook.
Sana all! So, ang ating 13th episode naman, featuring Puso Pampanga's Canter Commute. So, ito yung ginamit ng
Bagak.
Na Macau yung Bagak Modernized Transport Services Incorporated.
So, hindi lang tayo nag-feature ng mga private cars. So, nag-feature din tayo ng public utility vehicle. Ito nga yung Canter Commute. And nakita natin, Nicolette, how gaano na-upgrade yung experience ng mga commuters because of this Canter Commute. No? Unang-una, it's air-conditioned. Alam mo naman,
may Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we're living in a tropical country, so mainit talaga. I was a commuter before. I still do commute every now and then, di ba? Pero di ba, yung mga traditional nating sinasakyan dati, yung mga open air, so mainit,
So, lalo na
makalikabok.
kung traffic, so
Yan. So itong canter commute
hindi na
ng Fuso,
komportable. So ito naman perfect, no?
sobrang
Canter
komportable.
So ang atin namang 14th episode, no? The episode before this one is with Juan Miguel Soriano, ang ating
Yes, ang ating aspiring pilot.
aspiring pilot. So featuring Mazda CX-8.
So how did that change your view about Mazda?
Ang
That
ganda,
episode.
ang ganda.
Ang
Parang,
ganda na. Ang ganda
parang
na.
siyang luxury car na
Oo.
very, very cheap for such
Very
quality
comfortable, di ba?
and comfortable car. So,
Yung handling ng sasakyan, nagaan.
so calling Mazda Pampanga na ako. So excited din ako for our next season, Ariel, dahil mas marami pang units ang ating may share, may review
Yes,
for our
yes.
viewers. No? At syempre, mas marami pa tayong mga guests na makikilala at syempre, no, meron tayong matututunan sa kanila from their different fields and experiences.
That's exciting kasi Nicolette, we are preparing something for our viewers. So, kailangan abangan nila to, di ba? Kasi we're gonna try to do different things. At the same time, hopefully, matuloy yung medyo libre-libre na, yung nag-isap na yung mga restrictions, di ba? Makakapunta tayo sa iba't ibang lugar pa.
At sana lumabas na yung vaccine para lahat po tayo ay maging safe na from the virus.
So, Nicolette, as you observe, iba-ibang brands yan, di ba? From Mazda to Mitsubishi to BMW to Suzuki to Fuso, Canter Commute, di ba? Ngayon, we're on our way to, can you tell our viewers where we're going?
We're on our way to feature naman
Laus Auto Services. So you know what's unique about this? Laus Auto Services. It caters to all brands. Diba? Diba napakagandang service yun? Laus Auto Services, you know, they do body works, they do painting of
Lahat ng
vehicles.
kailangan mo.
Lahat ng kailangan mo.
Anything
Lahat ng
about
kailangan mo.
your car.
But, you know, what makes it really special is it meets the highest level of standards. Kasi yung mga paint na ginagamit dito, not only just ordinary automotive paint, but the top of the class. So, ganun ka-special. And it's
Ganun ka-special.
ganun kayo ka-special with Laus Auto Services. Hindi nyo na kailangan, alam mo ba, nakapunta ka na ba doon? Hindi ko na.
Oo naman.
Parang feeling mo nasa abroad ka, nasa US ka na automotive sector.
So, lahat
The way
ng
they
mga-
organize, yung process nila, yun nga, yung mga gamit na ginagamit, mga tools.
Very satisfied lahat ng mga clients.
Yes, so later we will demonstrate or we will have a look at their facility.
So, abangan niyo po yan mamaya.
So, Sir Ashley, can you tell us more about Laus Auto Services? Kailan po ba ito na-establish dito sa Clark?
Okay, the construction I believe started in 2016, and then it started operation way back February 2017.
So can you tell us a little bit about the services that are being offered here at Laus Auto Services?
And since it's a multi-brand,
Multi-brand.
Multi-brand, yeah. Okay. We are rated as a 5-star shop,
Mhm.
similar to the ratings which normally an authorized automotive dealership service center is being rated. Yeah. So this is what's it fully equipped with state-of-art diagnostic and repair equipment.
from general jobs, like, and also body paint, ganyan.
Yes.
Ano pa yung mga ibang services bang meron dito?
Yeah. So aside from the normal preventive maintenance or the periodic maintenance, of course, the collision repair and painting.
Mhm.
We also offer tint installation, full detailing. We have nano-ceramic coating as well, and then yung rust proofing, undercoating.
So, lahat nandito na.
So it's a one-stop shop
Even
actually.
nano-ceramic.
Even
coating.
nano-ceramic coating, yeah.
So about accreditations, because as we can see from the background, it's car O-liner. So can you talk us, can you briefly discuss what are the different accreditations that the Laus Auto Services?
Now, talking about accreditation, aside from the 5-star rating, we're accredited by the ICAR for the aluminum body repair, which again I can show you
Later.
the tour later. And our guys are trained by Carolina to operate this machine, this very expensive machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, for it's a computerized wheel alignment machine with the refinishing of paint materials. We partner with PPG. It is one of the world's leading brands of paints, and we use the Enviro-based paints.
So as you mentioned, you have where you're carrying different brands. So that's why you're multi-brands. So maybe you can tell our viewers, for example, like the brands that you cater or the brands that you handle in this in your shop. No.
I think we have all those banners for the brands.
Yes.
In fact, kulang pa to eh. I mean, if we put that everything, maybe
Dami,
kukulang ito eh.
So, halos lahat na.
So halos
Yes.
lahat siya. Collision repair. We can do everything because we have this computerized, and with that machine, with almost 16,000 vehicle data dimensions
Wow.
on the database. That's that's loads of information on there, and almost I would say all brands of cars na andyan yung database. So basically, yeah, we can do all types of cars and brands.
Okay. So because you're handling different brands.
Yeah.
So how do you ensure that you have the right expertise? I mean, the right knowledge for each particular brand.
I've been overseas for almost 25 years. So I've been into, I would say, European brands. I've been with Ford. I was with Jaguar. I was with Land Rover. I was with BMW. I was with Hyundai. I was with Kia. I was with Maserati, and I was with Volvo. Both. I was also even into the commercial as well and heavy equipment as well. So that years of experience that I've gained in the industry, of course, I shared it to the guys, to the team, yeah,
Okay.
and that really helps a lot. Talking about multi-brand service center.
So, Nicolette, what does that tell us?
So,
He himself is a
yes.
multi-brand.
So that should bring confidence to all the clients of Laus Auto
Yes,
Services.
Yes, and they have the right guy.
Yes. So we have well-trained personnel here under the
Across
wing
different
of
brands.
Sir Ashley, and of course, with all of these training and excellent services, we can make sure that they will make the proper diagnosis, and it all starts from there. Syempre, masusolusyonan mo lang yung isang bagay kung tama yung diagnosis.
That's correct. That's correct.
We don't claim to be the best, but we see to it that we always do our best.
Yun.
And this is also in line with our mission and vision, which is to embrace customer satisfaction as a way of life, the way of doing business. And we want to create the positive customer service experience. Yeah.
Kasi makikita
Yeah.
natin kanina, no, pagpasok
Yes.
pa lang ng clients or ng customers, no,
Yeah.
maganda agad yung yung
Reception, no?
reception.
Very
Very
strict.
comfortable and
Diba?
convenient. Lahat na ng kailangan nila. Just parang punta lang sila dito to relax, no, habang ginagawa yung mga sasakyan nila.
Yes, and then, well, while waiting, there are different restaurants or coffee shop that we can
Nearby?
go to nearby.
Yeah.
So, nandito
One-stop
na
shop nga
It's
sa
a one-stop
services
shop,
for your
yes.
automobiles.
Yeah.
Pero one-stop shop din sa mga kainan.
Kainan. Welcome to Laus Auto Services, your professional multi-brand service center located at Clark Freeport and the official global partners of PPG Industries, leader in automotive paints and coatings, Car O-Liner, the world's leading provider of advanced collision repair equipment operations, and Huper Optik, the world leader in nano-ceramic window films. This one-stop shop caters to all major auto brands, making sure that all technicians master all the skills necessary with their in-house training to properly take care of your vehicle needs.
Get professional care for your automobile at Laus Auto Services Clark Freeport. Find them here at LGC Automotive Services Building, MA Rojas Highway, Clark Freeport Zone. Want to know more or need to book an appointment? You may contact them through these numbers. For more updates, like and follow their page, Laus Auto Services.
Gear up next season dahil mas matitinding mga automobiles at mas kaabang-abang ang mga guests na makakasama natin. May na-miss ka bang episode o may nais balikan? Visit us on Facebook and on YouTube at CLTV36 Official.
We can't thank you enough for supporting and joining us on our joyride every week. As always, let us know in the comments kung may request kayong sasakyan for our next feature sa susunod nating season. Make sure to subscribe here on CLTV36 because we will be presenting more videos of different brands which might be your next ride.
I'm Ariel Dela Cruz.
I'm Nicolette Henson-Hizon,
And this is Stories on Wheels.